Beneficiary designations are genuinely useful. They let certain assets pass directly to your loved ones without having to go through probate. But relying solely on beneficiary designations can cause unexpected problems. I'm Rachel Murphy, and this is a What Doesn't Work topic. So, why doesn't it work to just rely on beneficiary designations to pass all of your assets? First of all, not every asset can pass by beneficiary designation. It works well for retirement accounts and some other types of accounts, but for example, you can't put a beneficiary designation on your house. In order to fully avoid probate, you will need to set up a revocable living trust. Second, naming beneficiaries on every account can leave no funds for administering your estate. The beneficiary will receive those funds directly, and they will be theirs. That means there could be nothing left for your funeral expenses or other debts. Third, using beneficiary designations means you lose control over what happens if a beneficiary were to die before you. You might think that it would go to that beneficiary's children, but that's not always the case. The account custodian's rules are going to govern, not yours. And finally, this is something that I have seen happen and end in disaster. Naming one beneficiary, often a child, as the sole beneficiary of an account and expecting that that child will share the account with their siblings. In my experience, informal expectations like that and large sums of money don't mix well. It would be better to have a complete estate plan governing all the beneficiaries and making sure in a legally binding way that each gets their share. I go into more details on each of these points in my full blog post. If you've been finding the thought of estate planning intimidating, I hope this gives you comfort to take that next step. Thank you for watching.